Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Asad Yaqub here with 6th January 2024 IELTS exam. And this exam is academic as well as general training. It's a big exam, first exam of the year. So my prediction is going to help you with this exam. Before we proceed, let me tell you, especially for 6th January, I have created a wonderful study plan. In the study plan, you will find listening tests with handouts, reading tests all solved by me, 40 by 40 questions along with handouts, and then they will be writing, they will be speaking. So there is a complete study plan for 6th January IELTS exam. If you wish to get the plan, you can just contact me on WhatsApp. Let me tell you, there is very nominal administrative fee. So if you want to get the study plan, you can just get that. And it's going to actually, we say in English, cross the T's and dot the I's. So it's going to cross the T's and dot the I's of your IELTS preparation. The study plan is going to be wonderful. You will get some valuable handouts, study material, and some video links, and they will actually finalize your preparation. And if you have your IELTS exam even before 6th January, we have other study plans for other exams as well. Now, as far as 6th January exam is concerned, overall, as per my prediction, this exam is going to be moderate. On 16th December, we had an exam, and overall that test was moderate. Even reading was moderate, okay? So this first exam of 2024 is going to be a moderate exam. Listening is going to be pretty standard. There will be a dialogue, one word and or a number, and the audio is going to go on very smoothly. You will be able to find the answers without any hassle. Part 2, questions like multiple choice, matching and maps, they are important. And by the way, in the study plan, I have considered these question types which are important for 6th January exam. So this study plan is going to be additional benefit for your IELTS preparation. As far as part 3 is concerned, I call part 3 as the elephant of IELTS listening. But for 6th January, this elephant will not bother you because the questions like multiple choice questions, matching type of questions, they are going to be there. You can crack them if you actually practice and if you come up with more techniques which I've given in my other videos, so you can crack this. But again, remember, Cambridge IELTS books 17, 18, and then Cambridge IELTS book number 10. These books are going to be very good for preparation for 6th January exam. As far as part 4 is concerned, IELTS listening part 4, 6th January, there's going to be a lecture. Yes, audio can be fast. Fast means fluent, and there will be one word only, right? Because it's a lecture, so you need to follow the techniques to deal with IELTS listening part 4, and then you will be able to find every answer. I've given various techniques, and especially in the study plan, I have actually focused one word only for part 4. Anyways, let's go on reading. Reading is a nightmare for many IELTS candidates, and I'm talking about academic reading. As far as 6th January exam is concerned, overall test is going to be moderate to difficult. Moderate is section 1 and difficult part 2 and part 3, and get ready for that. In part 1, questions like true, false, not given and sentence completion, they are very common, so you're going to get them. And type A questions and type B questions I've elaborated very well in the study plan. Like type A questions where questions and answers are in order, type B questions where they are not in order, and how to identify is it type A or type B. I've told about that in the study plan, so you will be clear about it, okay? After that, in part 2, questions like list of headings, summary completion, multiple choice questions, and some sentence completion type of questions you will find. In part 3, academic reading, questions like matching, where there are the lists, the statements, and the scientists or researchers. You've got to match them. Along with matching, there can be some questions like multiple choice, summary completion. By the way, completion type of questions are almost in all three sections. So on 6th January, you will find them as well. Overall test is going to be moderate to difficult, and when I say difficult, it may be part 2 or part 3. Some question types will be difficult. I'll try my level best because I'm going to prepare this study plan. I'm going to try my level best to focus the questions which are important for 6th January IELTS exam. Now, let's talk about general training reading. As far as general training reading is concerned, let me tell you, general training guys, please complete Cambridge IELTS book number 18, general training reading. Take all 4 tests from there, okay? I mean, you will get benefit from there. And otherwise, you can follow Cambridge IELTS books 11 to 18. They are just going to be fine. GT reading part 1. Questions like which paragraph contains the following information, and along with that, they can be true, false, not given. In general training reading part 2, questions like true, false, not given, and sentence completion, they are very common. And general training reading part 3, the questions like list of headings, multiple choice questions, matching, and summary completion. So in the study plan, I have added 3 full general training reading tests where 40 by 40 questions have been solved by me. And for each question, I've given a tip how to do that. Along with the handouts, you will get that in the study plan. Now, let's move on writing. As far as writing is concerned, for 6th January, writing task 2, as per my prediction, for academic as well as for general training IELTS candidates, it's going to be a discussion essay or an opinion essay, okay? By the way, I've got a handout. That handout has got 20 plus templates for opinion and discussion essay, and that handout is the part of the study plan. You can get the PDF, you can print it out, and there you will find 20 plus templates for part 1 and part. And these templates are not fake templates where you have to cram one essay and you write everywhere. No. There are 20 plus topics, and for each topics, there are some words that connect your ideas, some phrases which you can use as per opinion essay or discussion essay. So this template is going to actually help you with that, right? So mainly focus opinion and discussion essay for 6th January exam. In the last exam on 16th December, it was advantages, disadvantages. So as per my prediction, it's going to be that. But in the study plan, I have covered all 4 essays: opinion, discussion, problem solution, advantages, disadvantages, and even a double question essay, because I want to make this study plan a foolproof plan for your IELTS preparation. Now, let's talk about writing task 1 for academic IELTS candidates. In the last exam on 16th December, it was a comparative graph. So as per my prediction, it's going to be a graph with a trend, or again a comparative graph. In comparative graph, they give a table. Along with table, they give you pie chart. And in a graph with a trend, they can be bar chart, they can be line graph. Okay, so it can be anything like that. Pay full attention to that. But at the same time, you need to focus process diagram and maps. But the study plan which I'm going to share with you, it will cover all 4 types. And there is a wonderful book on IELTS essay writing for academic as well as general training, which is the part of this study plan, right? So let's talk about general training writing task 1. General training writing task 1 is letter writing. As per my prediction, on 6th January, there is going to be actually a formal letter. Most important types are formal and semi-formal. By the way, there are 5 parts of letter, and do you know after each part, it is compulsory to leave a line. Right? After each paragraph, it is compulsory to leave a line. What are those 5 parts? How to start a formal letter, how to finish a formal letter or informal letter. And then there is a wonderful book on letter writing, which is also the part of this study plan. So if you get the study plan, you will get a booklet. It will clear your concepts for letter writing as well. Let me tell you, this study plan is going to take around 20 hours. 20 hours lessons which you will have to watch, and plus 10 to 15 hours for your own preparation. So if you get this study plan earlier, it's going to be better. By 6th January, you will be able to fully prepare yourselves for IELTS exam, right? Thank you so much. On 6th January, when you appear in your IELTS exam, and you just get to know listening, reading, writing, please share that with me, and I'll make a review video for my students who are planning to appear in IELTS in the later dates of January. All the best. If you want to get the study plan, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. I also teach IELTS online all over the world and in campus in Lahore. If you want to join my online IELTS, in campus IELTS, or we offer IELTS test booking service in Pakistan. If you want to book your IELTS exam while staying home, we do offer you IELTS test booking service. You can contact us for that. All the best. Thank you so much. Asad Yaqub wishes you best of luck with your 6th January 2024 IELTS exam. Take care. Bye-bye. Allah Hafiz.